The dock on the Mac desktop is a convenient place to access applications and features that you're likely to use every day. For example, Launchpad and the trash. Think of the dock as a quick access to a variety of items or anything on your Mac you want to quickly access. The dock can show up to 3 recently used applications that aren't already in the dock, and a folder for items you've downloaded from the internet. By default, the dock is located along the bottom edge of the screen, but you can set an option to show it along the left or right edge instead. For this tutorial, the dock is located along the left edge of the computer screen. In the dock on your Mac, do any of the following. To open the Finder, click the Finder icon in the dock. To open a file in an application, drag the file over an application's icon. For example, to open a document you created in Pages, click and drag the document over the Pages icon in the dock and then release. Here you have this document that opened up in Pages. To show an item in the Finder, Command click the item's icon. As you can see here, Applications folder opened up with Mail highlighted. To switch to another application and hide all applications, Option Command click the icon of the app you want to switch to. So for example, if we want to switch back to the Pages application, we're going to Option Command click on that tab. As you can see, all other open applications have been hidden and Pages is now active. In the dock on your Mac, do any of the following. Display a shortcut menu of options. Control-click an item to display a shortcut menu. For example, we're going to control-click on the Apple Music app. Here you can see a variety of options available to you for that application. If you want to force an application to quit, if an app stops responding, control-click the application's icon, then choose Force Quit. You may lose unsaved changes when doing this. For example, if we wanted to force quit Safari, we're going to control-click on that Safari icon, scroll down to Quit. It's that simple. Add an item to the dock. Drag applications to the left side of or above the line that separates the recently used items. So for this example, if we wanted to add, let's say this application here, Photo Booth, to the dock, simply drag and drop to the dock. There you have a photo booth now located within the dock. When you drag a folder to the dock, you can view it as a stack. By default, the dock comes with a downloads folder, as you can see here. To remove an item from the dock, simply drag the item out of the dock until Remove is shown. For example, if we wanted to remove the photo booth icon from the dock, simply click and drag until Remove appears and release your mouse. You can also rearrange items in the dock. Drag an item to a new location. For example, if I wanted to move photos down a few icons, drag and release. On your Mac, choose the Apple menu icon in the upper left corner. Scroll down to System Settings. In System Settings, look for Desktop and Dock along the left side of the screen. You can see there's numerous options for the dock, such as the size of the dock, increase from small to large, the magnification of the dock, and that works when you automatically hide and show the dock. So go ahead and experiment with any or all of these options. You can't mess it up. It can all be corrected. If you need a description of what any of these options do, scroll down to the bottom of this page, click on this question mark icon here. Mac OS User Guide will display and will give you a description of the options. All right, one pro tip I'd like to add. To quickly adjust the dock size, move your pointer over the separator line in the dock until a double arrow appears. When the double arrow appears, click and drag the pointer up or down. Since my dock is located on the left, in this case, it would be moving the pointer left or right to increase the size or decrease the size. You can also control click the separator to access other actions from the shortcut menu. So when the double-sided arrow appears, control click, and now you can quickly adjust several settings for the dock, such as the position on the screen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.